Hello and welcome to Physics, Chemistry, Math Simplified. In today's video, we will solve the question, which is very interesting question on motion under constant acceleration. A body is said to cover 3 meters in 1 second and 8 meters in 2 seconds respectively. And we are asked to find its initial velocity and the acceleration. These types of questions are exam favorites, and once you understand the step-by-step solution, you'll be able to solve similar questions quickly and easily. Let us see what we have here. The formula, which will have initial velocity, which means u, acceleration, that is a, and the distance and the time. Okay, so we will use the formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now for the first second, your S is 3 meters, your initial velocity is u, time is 1 second, and plus half a into 1 square. That gives us 3 equal to u plus half a into 1. Now if you multiply the whole thing by 2, we can get rid of this denominator. So we will have 6 equal to 2u plus this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled plus a. And this is our equation 1. For the second case, we will use the same formula, but here the distance is 8 meters. So 8 equal to u multiplied by time is 2 seconds. So that will be 2 plus half into a into 2 square. So that gives us here 2u plus this will be half into a into 4. So 2 ones and 2 twos. So we get 8 equal to 2u plus 2a. And that is our equation 2. Our first question is we have to find initial velocity, which means we have to eliminate a. So we will take this and we will divide it by 2. So we get 4 equal to u plus a, and that is our equation 2. Let us write the first equation below this like so. And now in order to eliminate a, we will have to subtract a. So subtract and subtract. So you will have minus 2 equal to minus u. That will give us, therefore, u is equal to 2. Therefore, we'll say initial velocity equal to u equal to 2 meter per second, and that becomes our answer 1. For the second part, for the acceleration, we will substitute u equal to 2 in 6 equal to 2u plus a. Therefore, 6 is equal to 2 into 2 plus a. Therefore, a is equal to 6 minus 4, which is 2 meter per second square. So that is how we get our second answer also. So this is, we will write it once again, acceleration, because if you don't write the answer statement, you can lose your marks. Okay. So this is our answer 2. So The solution is simple. The initial velocity of the body comes out to be 2 meter per second, and the acceleration also comes out to be 2 meter per second square. I hope this step-by-step explanation made the concept clear for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Physics, Chemistry, Math Simplified for more exam focused solutions. Also, press the bell icon so you will never miss a new video. Thank you for watching and keep practicing to keep learning.